Okay, so I start by installing Collab Turtle. Here we have just the base functions. I have a couple different functions in this code. The first one is going to be to get the input from the user, and then it's a little error handling. If they don't input text, it'll just shoot out that error message. The second one is going to be this clean text function, which is basically going to take the inputted text, convert it all to lowercase, strip any trailing or leading spaces, add it into our clean text list, and then we're going to use our for loop to iterate through the list and pull out the characters and separate also the spaces. And we're now going to calculate the word length running through our original text, put it into a word length dictionary, and then split up the list using the length function, to calculate the length of each word. Next function is going to count the word frequency, again running through our original inputted text, and put that in the word frequency dictionary. And then every time it runs through a word, it'll just kind of add a +1 to each time that word it encounters that word as it runs through with the for loop. This next function is going to get our unique words. The way we kind of define a unique word is if it shows up only once, right? It's unique to the inputted text, or the string of text that you input. So what I have it here is just running through that, adding it into a unique words dictionary. That for loop is going to iterate through that list, and it's going to use them all as obviously keys in the dictionary. And then if that word frequency is only once, then it adds it to our list. If it's more than once, then it'll skip on to the next word from our word frequency list that we had before. The turtle was actually extra credit, so I definitely want to take advantage of it. This is just a quick function for the turtle. It's going to make a bar graph, and what that bar graph is going to do is it's going to pull from our word frequency list, and then it is going to go up as many times as we needed it to. So the original default setting for it is at 0, 0, which is right in the center of the screen. Since we're making a bar graph, I wanted it to be at the bottom left of the screen just to fully display the whole bar graph and all the information. So this for loop is what it's going to do is it's going to go up in the color blue. Since we're passing through our word frequency dictionary, I have it multiplied by 25 just so you can see it better in the graph. But it's going to go up for each word frequency. So if our words showed up one time, it'll go up 1 times 25. If it showed up 2 times, it'll go up 2 times 25. Obviously giving a bigger bar. So it's going to go up our frequency. It's going to turn right, go forward 2, which in the bar graph case would be right. It's going to turn right 90 degrees, come down in the color cyan, but it's to come down the same word frequency, right, to make that graph, the graph. We're then going to have it turn left 90 degrees, pick up the pen, move forward 20 spaces, which isn't that bad, which isn't that much. It's going to come down and then turn left another 90 degrees, and then it's going to go through the for loop again, or it's going to run through that all over again through each individual word. This is just a simple function to display all the input that we got, and it's just showing you what you're looking at. And then I made one function at the very end, just so I can call all of our functions at once, as opposed to calling them each individually one at a time. It's just that main function, just that calling that main function is going to call everything at once. So let's go ahead and run this. Now I have this sample text that I was just using to copy and paste back and forth. This has a bunch of the stuff that I was trying to like debug and pull out, stuff like punctuation marks, leading and trailing spaces to test the strip function. method. I mean, so yeah. So let's copy and paste that into here, and then we'll hit enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to display everything for us, and then also run the turtle as well. So there you see the turtle running, and all of our information displayed above.